everyone, welcome to today's class on English tenses. Tenses are the backbone of English grammar because they help us express time, the past, the present, and the future. In this session, we will explore all 12 tenses with definitions and examples. Simple present. We use it for habits, routines, and general truths. Example, I play football every weekend. Present continuous. We use it for actions happening right now. Example, I am teaching you English tenses. Present perfect. We use it for actions that started in the past and continue now, or for past actions with results in the present. Example, I have finished my homework. Present perfect continuous. We use it for actions that started in the past and are still continuing. Example, I have been studying English for 3 years. Simple past. We use it for completed actions in the past. Example, I visited Cox's Bazaar last year. Past continuous. We use it for actions happening at a specific time in the past. Example, I was watching TV when my friend called me. Past perfect. We use it for actions that were completed before another past action. Example, I had eaten dinner before you arrived. Past perfect continuous. We use it for actions that continued over a period of time in the past, before another action. Example, I had been working there for 5 years before I changed my job. Simple future. We use it for decisions made at the moment of speaking or for future facts. Example, I will call you tomorrow. Future continuous. We use it for actions that will be happening at a specific time in the future. Example, this time tomorrow I will be traveling to Dhaka. Future perfect. We use it for actions that will be completed before a certain time in the future. Example, by next week I will have finished my project. Future perfect continuous. We use it for actions that will be continuing up to a point in the future. Example, by December I will have been working here for 2 years. So, to sum up, English has 12 tenses, and each one helps us express different shades of time. If you practice them with daily examples, your grammar and fluency will improve dramatically. Remember, practice makes perfect.